Yo, yo. What's up, Google? What's happening, man? You good? How's your day going, Google? What's happening, man? Any trades for you today, brother? What's up, Summit? Yeah. So I haven't took GJ trade, AGJ trade in a while, but this one was classic. This one was a plus setup, and I'm already out of this position. But I was targeting like down into this level around here. But yeah, you can see I already posted the analysis in the Discord. I already posted the analysis in the Discord earlier today here. Sales below 190,848. 190,848. Beautiful. Played out perfect. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, Summit. Looking to see if GJ can break these lows here. If GJ breaks these lows, could get a nice push. My view on gold. So you can see right here, I'm waiting for a closure above this level. We got 10 minutes left. So I'm looking for buys on gold, and I'll look to capture. I mean, all we have to do really on gold is zoom out and just look at this move, right? Gold is very clearly trending to the upside, and I'm not going to sit here and say I think gold has gone too high. I'm gonna try and short it now, right? I'm not gonna sit here and do that. As long as gold is pushing bullish and is trending bullish, then I'm gonna look for buys. Very simple. All-time high on GJ. I didn't notice that it's coming up to. I mean, it's not all-time high because we've got this over here. All-time high was 251. What's this? 251,115. But GJ is coming into this resistance here, right? You can see this resistance slowly coming into here. So we could see a tap into this level. Some nice levels on GJ here today, though. Some really nice levels that price was playing within. You can see the support resistance levels over here. You can also see like this general area in here that price is tapped into. We've also got this area here that price broke below. So some really nice levels on GJ today. But yeah, gold, yeah, I'm just waiting to see if price closes above. Look at this head and shoulders here, right? Yo, that looks like something else. I need to delete that shit quickly before I get copyrighted or some shit. But if we just flip this scale over, you can see left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And you guys want to know what this level is? This blue level, 2114365. This level is just, if you go to the daily chart, it's just the previous daily open, or sorry, the previous daily close and the current daily open. So you just get your level and you just snap it onto that body, that daily body right there. Right, and I have separate colors for my levels, so I know which time frame they're from, and that is all that level is. And you can see how key this level has become, right? Inverted head and shoulders mean buy trend. To be honest, I have no idea what inverted head and shoulders means. I just know what it looks like, but I have never traded head and shoulders in my life, so I have no idea what it means. But you remember yesterday's level? You remember in yesterday's live session on YouTube, I said I was looking for buys here above 2088 380. Here they are right here, right? And I actually took this trade. Beautiful. 10 pips. I caught 10 pips here in this move up. How much will goes in gold? What do you mean, Google? You mean how much am I expecting it to continue bullish? Is that what you're saying? Our time frame? Sorry, yeah. This is let me move this. One hour time frame. I'm only ever really on the 1 hour time frame. Generally. 1 hour or 4 hour. Because December month went same level. Yeah. Yeah, so targets, right? You could target this overall level, of course. Which is just a wick. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. Like I was saying yesterday in yesterday's live session, it's going to be interesting what happens within this area. Like gold could reject at any point within this whole area now, right? This whole rejection wick over here. Gold could just reject at any moment from anywhere in here, right? We just don't know. We got to wait and see. But right now, price is bullish. Trend is bullish. Structure is bullish. I'm going to look for buys. GJ is rejecting back up. So you see GJ went for 15 pips, I was looking for about 20 pips down into like this kind of level over here, this kind of support level on the 1 hour. Didn't quite drive down. So what I ended up actually doing was moving my stop loss into profit at 10 pips in profit. So once it hit 15 pips, I just move my stop loss to 10 pips in profit so that I know if it does retrace, I've captured 10 pips. But if it does push and hit 20 pips, then I've made a bit more profit there. So you can see it push down here and then retrace back up and hit my 10 pip take profit level. Meow, meow. 3 minutes left. Man, it's very simple. It's very simple. Trading is very simple if you have the right strategy and like mentor, like somebody who can guide you correctly. But it is very, very simple. Meow, meow. This is all you need right here. You see, this is the academy. This is all the education. But you see this video right here, 10 pips a day, 4 hour, 1 hour. This is all you're going to need, right? Because if we go to my trading journal, look over here, look, 10 pips, 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 10 pips. Very simple. Bro, what did you follow the most? Price action, SMC, or what? Price action, bro. Yeah, price action. I have no idea about SMC. I have no idea about any of that. It's never really interested me. I get some of the concepts from kind of seeing it on Instagram and YouTube, but yeah, if you ask me to trade SMC, I have no idea. But I just follow price action. So if I show you real quick, Tejaz. I'm terrible at names. So if I show you real quick, right, going into this week, so this is this week's candle, okay? This week's candle. Previous week, what did we see, right? We saw a bullish weekly candle. What else do we see here? We see a low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high, right? So that is bullish structure. We also have a type 3 candle pattern, right? Which is from my indicator. If I turn this on real quick and I go over here, you can see the buy signal for this week, right? So we had a buy signal for this week based off of the indicator, based off of a type 3 setup. So the weekly is very bullish. Also, what you can see is that price, last week's candle closed above resistance. You can see over here where I'm hovering my mouse. You can see that last week's candle closed above it. So from the weekly time frame alone, we already know that gold is extremely bullish, right? And then you go down to the daily and you can see very clearly, right? Daily also closing above resistance, right? Look at all these resistance levels over here, the bodies of the candles. And this daily candle closed above them all, right? Very bullish. Again, what do we have? Lows, highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So again, the daily is very bullish, right? And then when we go to the 4 hour time frame, what we want to look for is specific for 4 hour candle closures during the correct session. So if I turn on my sessions indicator, what I'm looking for, was it not turning on? Oh, yeah, because I've got it hidden. What I'm exactly looking for is a 4-hour bullish pre-London candle, which we have right here, which we also had yesterday, right? So the second 4-hour candle of the day, you want that to close bullish, right? So again, second 4-hour candle bullish, second 4-hour candle bullish. So then that then aligns with the weekly, it aligns with the daily, and now it is aligning on the 4-hour time frame right at pre-London session. And what does that mean? Pre-London session means that there's going to be a hell of a lot of volume coming into the market, and because you've got a weekly, daily, and 4-hour confirmation, all time frames lining up bullish, you can anticipate that when volume comes into the market, that's going to push price up, right? Based off of all our confluence and all of the price action on the different time frames. So then all we do is go to the 1-hour time frame. We wait for a 1-hour closure above key levels. In this instance, it's the previous daily high, right? That has formed a resistance. You can see multiple rejections of this level here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we've got a closure above, right? Now we're coming down, creating a bottom wick. And once price flips, right, we can potentially look for a trade here now above this level, right? We've got an hour left. We've got an hour left until a new 4-hour candle, and also the new 12-hour candle for the day, the second 12-hour candle for the day. So yeah, it's very simple. It's very simple. Just look for your time frames to line up: weekly, daily, 4-hour. Go down onto the 1-hour, look for your key levels. Use daily highs, weekly highs, 4-hour highs, strong support and resistance levels. Go down onto the 1-hour time frame. And because the weekly, daily, and 4-hour is bullish, you will only look for buys above those key levels. You won't be looking at sells because none of the time frames are bearish. All of the time frames are bullish. Okay, so you're looking for buys, and you just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. I've literally just gave you my strategy for free if you know how to read between the lines of what I'm saying. I got this Vietnamese song stuck in my head. Vin Detroit. Quit how my. Key level 2124000. Did you guys understand how I explained that to you? Did you guys get what I was saying there? Did it make sense about the different time frames? Type a 1 in the chat if that made sense, and a 2 if that made no sense, and you want me to explain it again. No, I don't use funded account. I use only my own capital. I've never, ever, ever had a funded account before. I almost did. I was gonna do it for some YouTube, for a YouTube video, like series of me like growing a funded account, but I was literally about to buy a My Forex Funds account, and then like a few days later, they got shut down or something happened. I can't remember what happened to them, but something happened to them, and I was like, "Yep, I am not doing funded accounts anymore." Hell to the no, to the no, no, no. 2124. 2124. Detroit. Yo, C Trader is actually cool. My account size, so currently it's at 31,329, and this is all in my trading journal. This was an account that I started on the 1st of January of this year. I started a brand new 10K account. And yeah, every trade is tracked in here. So as you can see, all the losses. You can see here I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses in a row. And before that, we had 1, 2 losses, 1 win, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losses and 1 win. So that was a rough start in January. But yeah, I've managed to pick it up. February was a lot better. And March is looking pretty good so far. I haven't had a losing trade in March so far. And we've taken 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, 4 wins. You can see here March, 4 taken, 100% win rate. You can see January a 49% win rate. So January was pretty rough. I still managed to come out with some profit. February was much better, 74% win rate. And then so far March has been really good. Yeah. You see here 6 trades taken in New York session, 100% win rate. 2 in Asian session, 100% win rate. And then London is where things get interesting. 44%, 64%. You can see the time frames, daily, 4 hour. And 135% account gain in 2 months, basically. 260 pips secured. Can we set stop orders in C Trader? Yeah, you can. You can set buy and sell stops in C Trader. I've been setting buy and set stops in C Trader. It depends. It depends how big of the, because I always use a 5 lot size on this account. Every single trade in here, every single trade has been with a 5 lot size on gold. On GJ, I do 10 lots because yeah, it works out the same. 10 lots and 5 lots on gold. So 10 lot on GJ, 5 lot on gold. So it depends how small or big my stop loss and take profit is. But generally it's around 10-15 pips. So it's around about anywhere from like 700 to like 1,500 profit. T has. I'm gonna call you T. All right, I'm gonna call you T. Where did you come from the stream today? Did you come from the Telegram, or have you just found my YouTube channel? I'm always interested to know where people come from. See, this is what a stop order looks like, or a stop buy stop looks like on C Trader. I don't know if you guys can see that. C Trader is actually, I actually really like C Trader. I might just start using it full time rather than MT5. Our Telegram, nice. Yeah, C Trader is awesome. Some potential volume here on gold, right? We've closed above the previous daily high on the 1 hour time frame. This is a significant closure. So if price can come and break this high, over here, there's a high chance that it can continue bullish. How long the stream goes on? I usually stream for like 30 minutes to an hour. Usually an hour. There we go, GJ. So that was the beautiful trade on GJ we had today. Caught 10 pips, as you can see from below me here. Well, it was pretty much 11 pips. $942 profit. I was in the trade for 1 hour and 1 minute, as you can see on this side. Yeah, decent trade. Decent trade on GJ. And of course, the analysis was sent out in the Discord. Sales below 190848, and I also posted it in the VIP Telegram as well in this video. Very nice. So what is the next thing we can look for here on GJ? The next thing we can look for, in my opinion, is how this 4 hour candle closes, right? So you can see we've had a strong rejection now right down into this level. So what you would want to see if price is going to continue bearish, you want to see now this 4 hour candle close below 190848. You'd want to see it close below there, and that's going to give us an indication that price has closed below a key level, right? It's respected it, and now we can get a continued drive down, but of course we just have to wait 44 minutes for that. But yeah, that's pretty much GJ done. Where am I from? Dear, I am from originally I'm from Birmingham, England, but I'm currently now living in Melbourne, Australia. Australia, mate. Living with the snakes and the kangaroos. The snakes and the kangaroos, man. I actually saw some kangaroos today right outside my house. It was kind of amazing, I'm not gonna lie. Where are you from, T? Tej. You from India? Nice. What part of India are you from? Visit? Bro, I'd love to visit India, really. I've had some really good friends in the past from India. Some of the nicest people that I've ever met. See, now gold is continuing. Maybe put the fuel in gold on her. The only problem with this is there's just there's no targets like close. There's no like profit target right now. There's literally nothing. It's just like a big void. So and stop loss would have to be like over 100 pips. So I'm not really. Something I could potentially do is wait for like a 15-minute closure above this level, and then use the 15-minute lows for a stop loss. Look at the rejection of these levels though, man. Perfection. Perfection. Beautiful rejection. Breaking above, retesting, and then the volume continues. Gold will make some correction. Who knows? Who knows? Right now, all I know is that gold is bullish. It does look very interesting, but It is pretty expensive here, I'm not gonna lie. $1,000 a day? Oh, yeah, 1,000 a week is fine. Like you can live on 1,000 a week. 1,000 a day, Jesus, yeah. I'll be living like a king. See, how much is petrol? How much is fuel, like gas, petrol, to buy in India right now? Just standard, like 91. Yeah, not 1,000 a day though. Uh. 106 per liter. What's your currency again? Is it Indian rupee? I wanted to say that, but just didn't. I didn't want to offend you guys in case I was right. In case I was wrong. So 106 Indian rupees, 197. I think it's 1 8 something. The last time I got it, I'm pretty sure. Indian rupees, yeah. I just want to see something real quick. Who else? Who else have we got in chat? Have we got any other countries in the chat that we can check? Wait, I just want to see. Oh, here we go. Today's petrol price is near Melbourne. So let's just go for BP, right? 184. Yeah, 184. We're gonna go with 1849, 1849, 183, 199. 184. So it's around 184 today in um in Australia, in Melbourne. So it's actually, I suppose it's around about the same, but maybe it's actually a little bit more expensive than Australia. Yeah, I mean that seems pretty expensive. 197 per liter. So we're about 10 cents, over 10 cents cheaper in Australia on petrol wise at the moment than India. That's crazy. Cristo, Fendi, Usually I can fill my car up with like $50 to $60 if it's like empty. Nice. We got the move coming in. This would have been, that would have been about 10 pips profit so far. I just didn't really like this trade because of how big the stop loss would have had to been. It literally would have had to been like 95 pips. I'm not about to have a 95 pip stop loss. Hell no. But I mean, this would have been a winning trade. This would have got us 10, 15 pips. Mon Cristo, mon Fendi, mon What's GJ doing? GJ is doing nothing. Leave that there. Yeah, man, that would have been a beautiful trade. Look at the 5-minute time frame. Look at the perfect retest of these levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, gone. Five-minute closure above. Interesting, very nice. I'm still holding my gold since 2008 with a 0.5. Like, Jesus. How much profit are you in right now? I'm on Crystal, I'm on Fendi, I'm on... Yes, see, I probably would have took profits here at this point, or at least moved stops to break even. But again, like, where am I gonna? I suppose, nah, 15. 15 could have been it, maybe. Right, 15 closure. I know there's the hourly was there. I still would have had to have. Oh no, it would have been too bad. Would have been a 45 pip stop loss instead of like a 95 pip stop loss. $582. That's pretty good, man. Well done. How long have you been holding that for? Been holding that for quite some time. 2008 is down here. Since middle of Feb, maybe. There we go. Push, push, push. Would we have got 15 pips? Let's have a look. I mean, the analysis was correct. Everything was correct. The analysis, the move. I just, yeah, I wasn't happy with this stop loss on the 1 hour time frame, so didn't end up taking this trade. But I mean, it worked out perfectly, as it always does. No, that's from a trade that I took earlier. That was on GJ. Are you talking about this below me? That was from this trade here. So that one I caught 10 pips on GJ earlier. This was the trade. That wasn't gold. So that's a trade that I've already taken. That's already closed. My crystal, my Fendi, my brown. Yeah, so that was from a trade earlier, bro. So you can see here, today at 5. Oh, look at that, 5:55 p.m. on the 5th of March. Kind of creepy. But yeah, this was the setup that I shared in my Discord. Sales below 190848 on GJ pre-London session. So yeah, that was that trade. This one right here. 190848. Caught 10 pips. Or basically 11 pips. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna head off. I was looking to capture this trade on gold, but I didn't end up taking it, so that's probably me done for the night. I'm happy with the trade on GJ here. I'm happy with those profits. Like, I'm not gonna try and force anything, and give back that profit. So yeah, I'm gonna call it there. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming and keeping me company and chatting to me. Thank you, T and Summit and the usual gang, Google. Appreciate you guys, and I'll be back tomorrow for another session. Oh, what's up, Bullet? What's up, man? I was just saying bye. How are you, man? All good? How's your day been, bro? How's your trading day been? Bitcoin TP, really? Shit, man. Type 3. Let's have a look. Where are you? I didn't delete you, did I? Oh, here you are down here. This was Bullet's trade on Bitcoin using the type 3 candle pattern on the 4-hour time frame. Beautiful. Cody, have you bought BTC? I used to own a fair bit of crypto, mainly XRP. But I actually I put like I think like $2,000 in an account on XRP into CoinSpot, and it actually went up to like 11,000, and I just took my profits out. And yeah, I've never really put it back in since. So I don't have any crypto anymore. I should though. I've seen how Bitcoin's been going crazy. Well, yeah, I made like 10K on my investment on XRP, and I just took it all out, and I was like, sweet, I'm happy with that. And then I haven't put any more back in since. That was years ago though. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But well done though, Bullet. I mean, good for you. Good on you for holding the trade for this long. That takes a lot of patience, a lot of discipline. So, you know, well done, man. But yeah, fuck, I'm so tired. Ah. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna head out. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be live at the same time, for an hour, maybe longer. But yeah, I need to get some sleep, man. I'm falling to sleep right here. I never watch the charts for this long. Like whenever I live stream on YouTube, that is the longest time I ever spend looking at a chart. Usually, I'll mark up my levels. I'll spend like 15 minutes marking up my levels and finding which trades that I want to take for that day, and then I just leave, and I set alerts on my levels. As you can see right here, I got an alert on this level. I set alerts, and then I just carry on with my day. And when those alerts get hit, I come back to the chart, I set my trade, and then I walk away again. So when I'm actually sitting here like this in front of the desk and the computer, just staring at the charts, I get so tired so quickly. It's so boring. Staring at charts is boring. Not live streaming on YouTube, not talking to you guys. That's very exciting, of course. I enjoy talking to you guys, but looking at the charts, staring at like a candle is boring. Sorry if I offended you. Like, you guys probably thought, what this guy's calling us boring now. We would have been close right here on 15 pips, very close on 15 pips. Like literally a pip off. But yeah, all right. Peace out, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a good night. Don't overtrade. Don't over risk. Don't over leverage. Stay smart. Protect your capital at all costs. Be calm. Be collective. And have a good night. All right. Peace out.